This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Nicola Quieto. Move-in ready, convenient first-floor condo, secure building in an amenity-rich complex. Bright and open split-bedroom floor plan with a separate dedicated home office. On-trend new lighting, fixtures, and beautiful laminate wood flooring. Freshly painted bedrooms and baths. New hot water heater. Full-size laundry and utility room add extra storage space. Lots of cabinets and counter space. Large owner's suite with walk-in closet and master bath with updated fixtures. Private covered patio off the main living area with an additional storage closet. Amenities include pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. Water, sewer, and trash included with HOA fee. Location is fantastic, just minutes to UNCC, shopping, entertainment, restaurants, light rail, quick drive to Uptown, close to interstates 85 and 485. For more information,